Did you know that 70% of people who start a side hustle quit because they think it requires too much money or time? But here's the truth. In 2025, there are 3 online side hustles you can start with little to no investment, and I'm going to show you exactly how. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn these ideas into a steady income. Let's dive in. The first side hustle is affiliate marketing. In 2025, affiliate marketing is still one of the easiest ways to make money online. All you need to do is promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Here's how you can make money with affiliate marketing. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific topic like fitness, tech gadgets, or personal finance. Create content. Write blog posts, reviews, or tutorials that help your audience. Promote products. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or ClickBank. The average affiliate marketer earns between $100 to $5,000 per month, depending on traffic and niche. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. Here's how you can learn affiliate marketing. Free resources. YouTube channels like Income School or blogs like Smart Passive Income offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, affiliate marketing for beginners, or Skillshare, build a profitable affiliate website. Tools. Use WordPress to build your website and SEMrush for keyword research. Once you're ready, here are the best affiliate programs to join. Amazon Associates, perfect for beginners to promote physical products. Share a Sale, great for a wide range of products and niches. ClickBank, ideal for digital products and high commissions. Now, let's explore the second side hustle. The second side hustle is print on demand. In 2025, the print on demand industry is booming, and it's one of the easiest ways to make money online without holding inventory. You design products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, and a third-party company handles the printing, shipping, and customer service. Here's how you can make money with print on demand. Create designs. Use your graphic design skills to create unique designs. Sell on platforms. Use platforms like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble to sell your products. Market your store. Promote your products on social media or through ads. The average print-on-demand seller earns between $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on their marketing efforts. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn print on demand. Free resources. YouTube channels like Print on Demand Boss or blogs like Oberlo's blog offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Print on Demand Mastery, or Skillshare, start a print on demand business. Practice tools. Use free tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create designs. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to use. Printful, perfect for integrating with Shopify or Etsy. Teespring, great for beginners to start selling quickly. Redbubble, ideal for reaching a global audience. Next, let's dive into the third side hustle. The third side hustle is virtual assistants. In 2025, businesses are increasingly hiring virtual assistants to handle tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. If you're organized and good at multitasking, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Here's how you can make money with virtual assistants, freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Belay. Specialize, focus on a specific niche like social media management, bookkeeping, or customer service. Build a portfolio. Start by offering your services to small businesses or entrepreneurs. The average virtual assistant earns between $20 to $50 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn virtual assistants. Free resources. YouTube channels like Virtual Assistant Savvies or blogs like Horky Handbook offer great tips. Paid courses. Check out platforms like Udemy, Become a Virtual Assistant, or Skillshare, Virtual Assistant Mastery. Practice tools. Use tools like Trello for task management or Calendly for scheduling. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to use. Upwork, great for finding freelance virtual assistant gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable virtual assistant services. Belay, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for virtual assistants. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know the top 3 online side hustles to start in 2025 with little to no investment. Affiliate marketing, print on demand, and virtual assistants. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these side hustles are perfect for building a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one side hustle, and scale as you go. Be consistent. Show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to automate your online income streams. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.